my most complimented blush right now. This is with, this is without, and this is very long lasting. It's also like blurring. This is the reason why I'm more into blush powders right now instead of creams. I don't have to retouch it, stays the whole day. And yes, even without setting spray, naglalast talaga to. And the shade is so good for my skin tone. So if we are shade twins, highly recommend this blush shade. It gives off the natural flush of color and it's not highly pigmented, which is scary to put on your face. You know how other blushes, sobrang pigmented. This one, as you can see, I'm just building it up. May blush blindness kasi ako. Gusto ko yung talagang mapapansin mo yung blush ko. But this one, yung pagka-shade niya, natural flush of color lang. This is in the shade Daffy from BLK Cosmetics. I think another major reason why ang ganda ng pagkaka-apply ng blush na to is because of the fluffy blush brush that I always use. From Strokes naman to. Kaya parang evenly dispersed or distributed yung blush on my skin.